Hello everyone, so today I'll be showing you how we can make the yummy brinjal bharta, and we will roast the brinjal on a ceramic glass top, but we will have the absolutely delicious brinjal bharta flavor. So first of all, taking a brinjal, making a slit, and now applying some mustard oil all over nicely. This brinjal bharta will give you an absolutely smoky flavor which we really enjoy, but I have cooked it on a ceramic glass top and then I have placed it in the oven. So basically just to have the absolutely authentic bharta smoky flavor, first of all I'm going to roast it and then I'm going to place it in the oven. Definitely try it out in this way and I'm sure you're going to love it. So here I am roasting it for 4 to 5 minutes, turning it all over on a medium to high flame. So turn and roast it nicely, and it will be giving that burn flavor. Basically turn and roast it on all the sides. Take it out and put it on a oven plate. So I have put an aluminium foil on an oven dish, putting some garlic cloves. I will be baking all these things together in a preheated oven for about 15 to 20 minutes, all till your until your brinjal is cooked. So here, taking it out of the oven, wow, it's perfectly cooked, and then peeling off the shells. So gradually peeling off the shells from all the sides, and I am able to touch it, but you can still see that steam coming out. And here I have roasted the garlic, so just taking out the shells from the garlic, and then it will be mixed with the brinjal, and we will be making the brinjal and the garlic mashed together. So be careful because it is like its steam is coming out still, as you can see. Now adding some mustard oil to a pan, and then I have chopped some onion in my chopper, and that is easy way to get the onions finely chopped. There are 2 onions, and we will have to fry it nicely till it gives that nice aromatic smell, and it is golden brown in color. So fry this onion very nicely, and then I'm adding this tomato puree. You can add the fresh tomatoes as well. So I am adding this tomato puree just to make it a nice smooth texture. Now add some salt to taste. Now add it 2 red chilies to it, and again mixing it up all very nicely. Basically sauteing it again for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add it a little water so that it doesn't stick, and again just sauteing it out. So here adding some masalas. I have added turmeric powder, coriander powder, and again added a little water so it doesn't burn. Here if you want, you can even add chili powder, and also you can add some green chilies. Here I have now added the prepared brinjal, which is the baked brinjal, and this is the point wherein we have to saute the brinjal very nicely with the masala. So we'll have to nicely saute it for about 10 minutes on a low to medium flame, and then it will be ready. Top it up with some coriander leaves, and it's done. It's yummy, and enjoy it. Do let me know how you have liked this recipe. Thank you for watching.